Thokozani ugogo nomkhulu isalukazi sendoda lesugogo bathini mbatha. Uma uvula kuvala emzini manje amadoda u-anti Usha. Ingane zakwethu. Have we ever thought ukuthi, or rather did you know ukuthi izinto oyikhulumayo kuwena ngaphakathi zine impact engakanani kuyizinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yakho? Izinto oyicabangayo wena ngaphakathi kwena noma ngendlela wena ozizwa ngayo, ozibona ngayo wena, uyazi yini ukuthi unomthelela ongakanani empilweni yakho nakuprogress yakho in general? Uyazi ukuthi iprogress yakho, impumelelo yakho empilweni is based on what is happening up here and how do you feel about yourself? Yes, I said that, you're right. What you think and how you feel and how you see your life and what you hear about you from you, it has so much impact in your life. Guys, you can go anywhere. They'll give you umuti. They'll give you upondo. Whatever they will give you. Whatever. I don't care who gives you what. It matters. It does matters how you feel about yourself. It does matters. Ukuthi, what you think about yourself. Where do you see yourself? That one, it has nothing to do with anyone else but yourself. That one, it's not about abantu bazothini syndrome. It's about you and yourself. We can't do a full video about it. But what I've realized about videos that touches people or that gives people an assignment to go and look at themselves right inside their hearts, to go and do a research about themselves, they don't want that. People don't want to do self-introspection. People don't want to look at themselves inside. Why? That's why we're failing in life. That's why prayer is not working for us. That's why mood is not working for us. That's why nothing is going right for us, because of we don't want to start where we need to start. Whether we accept it today or tomorrow, it's okay. We do not want to start where we want to start, which is everything starts within us. Thokozani.